two kinds of toilets in each train. One is Chinese style toilets. Let us go and see. And you can see here, the green one means the toilet is available. And when you go inside, you can turn it. You lock it, then it's reddish means it's unavailable. Okay. And this is a Chinese style toilet. Yes, and here you can wash hands and then flush. See another bathroom of this train. This is a Western style toilet. This is the green is available. Let us have a look. Okay, this is Western style. You can see. And the other equipment, the sink. Okay, other equipment is the same as the Chinese style. So each train have two toilets, one Chinese style and one Western style. The train also has toilets special for disabled. So this toilet is always closed, so we cannot get into it and take a picture.